Hi everybody, today we have lesson 10.8. We are working more with position words, where something is. So today we're working with beside and next to. So it already has the lines for us, but it says trace the X on the object that is shaped like a cone that is beside the object shaped like a sphere. So I see two spheres here. Which one has a cone or an object shaped like a cone beside it? Yeah, it's this. Beside and next to mean the same thing. Then trace the circle on the object shaped like a sphere that is next to the object shaped like a cube. So here's my object shaped like a cube. Here's a sphere that is next to it. So go ahead and trace that circle. And then you can flip it to this side. It looks like this guy is making kind of like a bead necklace. That's cool. Okay, mark an X on the bead shaped like a cube that is beside the bead shaped like a cone. Okay, mark an X on the bead shaped like a cube that is beside the bead shaped like a cone. Okay, so we're looking for a cube. So let's see, I see a cube here. I see a cube here, and I see a cube here. The cube that we're looking for is beside a bead shaped like a cone. So does this one have a cone-shaped bead on either side? No, so it can't be this one. How about this cube? Oh, this one has a shape beside it. Is this a bead shaped like a cone? No. How about this cube? There's a bead next to it. What is this one shaped like? Yeah, a cone. So we're going to put an X in that cube-shaped bead. Okay, draw a circle around the bead shaped like a cone that is next to the bead shaped like a cylinder. Okay, so now we're looking for cones. So I see a cone here. We already know about this cone is next to a cube-shaped bead, so it can't be this one. So we have this green one and this red one. We want the one that is next to a cylinder-shaped bead. So which one of these cones is beside a cylinder-shaped bead? Yeah, the red one. We'll circle this. It is next to a cylinder-shaped bead. Nicely done. Okay, now to a grown-up or somebody next to you, use the words next to and beside to name the position of other bead shapes. So I could say that this cylinder bead is beside this sphere bead. Or I could say this purple sphere bead is next to a green sphere bead. So use those phrases beside and next to describe some beads to someone near you. All right, we can flip to this side. All right, I see a moving truck. Okay, mark an X on the object shaped like a cylinder that is next to the object that is shaped like a sphere. So we are looking for cylinders. I see 1, 2, 3 cylinders. Which one of those cylinders is next to a sphere? Exactly, it's this one right here. So put an X in this cylinder. Draw a circle around the object shaped like a cone that is beside the object shaped like a cube. So we're looking to circle a cone. I see a cone-shaped object here and a cone-shaped object here. Which one of those is next to an object shaped like a cube? Yeah, this one, this traffic cone. So we will circle that one. Just like on the last page, use the words next to and beside to describe the position of other package shapes to someone nearby. Okay, flip it over to this side. And it says, Draw or use pictures to show what you know about real-world three-dimensional objects beside and next to other objects. Okay, so somewhere not too big, draw an ice cream cone. Okay, there's my ice cream cone. I'm not really sure what happened here. I think I was thinking of a cloud. Okay. Next to the ice cream cone, I would like for you to do your best to draw me an object that goes on top of an ice cream cone that is shaped like a sphere. Does anyone know what kind of fruit goes on the top of an ice cream cone? Yeah, a cherry. So I'm gonna draw a cherry next to, I just realized I don't think I know what a cherry stem looks like. That's okay. And I'm adding these little lines so that you know that it is a sphere and not just a circle. Okay. Sorry, friends. I think I have the giggles about 3D objects today. Okay. Down here in the bottom part, do your best to draw me a die like the one that we use at school. You can follow along with me. Remember, a diagonal up, straight down, another diagonal, and straight across. And I'm going to add the dots to my die. Okay, there's my die. So, beside the die, I would like for you to draw me an object that is shaped like a cylinder, please. I'm going to do, you might have seen these before. It's a kind of chip called Pringles. I'm drawing a Pringles can next to my die. You could do a can of soda, you could do a can of soup, maybe a package like from the last page, any cylinder shaped object that you want. Okay, so I did my cherry beside or next to my ice cream cone, my sphere, and beside or next to my object shaped like a cube, my die, is my cylinder shaped object. I know that I'm saying object shaped and a shaped object, and that is just real life things that you see that are 3D shapes. So just kind of looking around, like I know that I have soup cans in my pantry and those are shaped like cylinders. I know that Rowie has lots of balls that she plays with outside. Those are all spheres. So maybe make it your mission and look in your house for 3D shapes that you can find in your own house. Do you have ice cream cones at your house? Then you have a cone. So look for those objects, friends. We'll chat about it this week during group, and you let me know if you find any 3D shapes. All right, guys. I love you. I miss you. I hope you have a great day today, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.